Here's the message that a lot of us are listening to. It's the message of what society is painting the picture as what should be a marriage. The enemy stealing the identification of people. Because if he can steal your identity, because your identity is in who? If he can distort that vision, then he can distort who you men are called to be as leaders within your home. If I am talking to her the way I see things, I am not showing her love.
That's right.
And if she talks to me the way she sees things, she is not showing me respect. It's the love and respect that have to be met. When I would not give her the space to come to me and say, Joseph, I need to tell you this. I gave her the space to talk. Because when I didn't give her the space to talk, she didn't feel loved. And when she didn't feel loved, it created a rise in conflict about what I was saying. And then I felt what? Disrespected. I had to know and understand. I'm like, and so what we would begin to do before we even knew that we had something going on, like, babe, can we be led by the Holy Spirit right now and pray before any of this ever happens? Because good intended things still can go wrong. So this is ultimately why we created Alpha Leadership.